Straight hair, we love it. But for some women, it can be a real challenge to wear their natural hair straight. If this is you, then you also know the problems that come with relying on too much heat to straighten your hair, and when your hair just won't cooperate. So, if you're going to be using a relaxer to straighten out your hair, then we'd recommend using our StrongEnds products. StrongEnds with Honey Infusion products offers a unique solution to your hair care needs because all the products are enriched with strengthening and hydrating ingredients that increases hair's elasticity to prevent breakage. StrongEnds products include Super Relaxer for coarse hair and a regular relaxer for normal hair, Hydrating Shampoo, Reconstructor, Moisture Supercharged Lotion, Full Repair Temple Balm, Styling Gel, Daily Heat and Sun Protection Hair Cream. StrongEnds relaxers are infused with honey shea butter. Raw honey provides moisture, and shea butter locks it into the hair. The ultimate result is healthier and stronger hair as opposed to weak and limp hair. Love your relaxed hair the right way with Biocare Lab's StrongEnds Honey Infusion products.